Fix in 5. Got a P0467? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Ignore it long enough, and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, fuel smell from vehicle, difficulty starting engine, rough idle or hesitation during acceleration, increased emissions. Now the most likely causes. Faulty purge flow sensor. Open or shorted wiring to sensor. Corroded or loose connector at sensor. Failed purge valve solenoid. Vacuum leak in EVAP system. How to fix it. Clean or replace purge flow sensor connector and inspect terminals. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness to sensor. Replace purge flow sensor if voltage test fails. Replace purge valve solenoid if not holding vacuum. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 120 euros doing it yourself, or 141 to 216 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0467? The cost to fix P0467 generally ranges from 80 euros to 500 euros, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0467. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.